This is a full glam makeup tutorial for a Nigerian Owambe party. So if you're interested, let's get ready together, okay? So starting off with my skin prep, applying my serums as always, and then blending it properly into my skin. You want to massage it literally into your skin. Then next going to brush my brows and cleaning them up with the concealer. Then next you want to also moisturize your skin, okay? Then going in with the primers and then blending it properly so that you have that glow. This is very important. And then next with the foundation, Nuban Beauty in my skin as always, and also the same concealer, same brand by the way. And here are my placement, easy peasy lemon squeezy. And then blending with my beauty sponge because I want that soft blend. Okay, nothing harsh today. Then going the very lighter shade of concealer for that bright inner corner brightness, and then contouring my face with some soft black opal contour and adding it to my eyes as well for that lifted look, and also contouring my nose as well. I saw this on TikTok to give that lip contour a little bit of trial today so that you have that fuller lip going on. Blending it properly with my Real Techniques brushes, love them to death. Then going to my Ruby Kisses blush, and these are where I place them, something very soft, nothing too crazy. And then I went ahead to blend the concealer I applied with triangular puff. I don't know what they call it. And then set it with powder. This is the Nuban Beauty setting powder caramel. That's the shade I did use. So I placed it underneath my eye. And also when I was done doing that, I went ahead to place it on that areas where I did apply my concealer because it's an orange powder. So next we have our blush. This is the powder blush palette from V Beauty Girls Night Out. And these are the colors I used. I used the brown to like set my cream contour, and then these are the colors I used for my powder blush. Just mixed everything together and then went ahead to place them with my Real Techniques brush as well. Then for my eyeshadow, before I went in with it, I had to like do some baking so that I don't have any fallout. Then started with some brown and then some gold shimmer, and then did some highlighting on the apples of my cheeks. I love this highlighter. Set everything with powder, and this is the final look, guys. Let me know if you would be trying this, okay? Thank you for watching. Subscribe.